Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to our JavaScript video tutorial. Today we will talk about small but the most important topic in JavaScript. JavaScript comments. A comment is simply a line of text that is completely ignored by the JavaScript interpreter. Comments are usually added to provide extra information about the source code. It will not only help you understand your code when you look after some time, but also after others who are working with you on same project, then you can understand what you have written on the code. Let's look at the advantages of JavaScript comments. JavaScript comments offer two key advantages. First, to make code easy to understand. It helps explain things so that anyone can follow along without getting confused. Second, to provide code from running unnecessarily. Comments come in handy occasionally. We include codes to carry out certain tasks. However, later on, there might be a reason to stop that code from executing. In such situations, using comments is a smart choice. Now let's look at the types of JavaScript comments. JavaScript supports two types of comments, single line comments and multi-line comments. Now we will look at single line comments. It is represented by double forward slashes. It can be used before or after statement. There is an example. We will look this in a code editor. Here you can see it is in JavaScript code, and here we have written document.write hello JavaScript, and here is the comment. It is not affecting the code, it's running as it is. Now we will look at the second example. Here you can see we have performed an arithmetic operation of additions. Here this line, what does this line do? We have written here, it adds value of the A and B variables. And what does this line do? We have written here, print the sum of 10 and 30. So anyone who will look at this code, they will understand what this code do. Now let's look at the multi-line comments. Multi-line comments represented by forward slash with an asterisk. Here you can see, and an asterisk with a forward slash. It can be used for both single line and multi-line. There is an example of multi-line comments. I'll open this on a code editor. Here you can see we have written JavaScript code here, and here you can see we have written multi-line comments. If I write anything here, it will not affect the code. The code will run as it is. So the comments are helpful when you want to say anything about the code to others, or if you want to open the code after some times and you will look at the comment, then you can understand what does this code do. So friends, today we understood what JavaScript comments are and why they are used, how to write single line comments, how to write multi-line comments. Make sure to use comments to keep your code clean and understandable. If you want to know anything else, feel free to ask in the comment. Keep smiling and happy coding. Thank you.